The Royal Thai Air Force has chosen the Saab Gripen E aircraft to replace its aging fleet of F-16 fighter jets. The Gripen E fighter incorporates cutting-edge technologies, including latest sensors, weapons and pods to ensure combat advantage, delivering air superiority in highly contested environments. The Indian Ministry of Defence has placed a second order for additional 73,000 SIG 716 rifles, bringing the total number of 145,400 SIG rifles with the Indian Army. The SIG 716 is an enhanced AR platform, known for its power and accuracy. Ukraine has ramped up local production of the Bohdana 4.0, a locally made truck-mounted howitzer, becoming a crucial component of the Ukrainian military's artillery arsenal. The Bohdana 4.0 is a truck-mounted self-propelled howitzer, designed to offer a high degree of mobility, precision and firepower. The Kenyan Defence Forces will soon integrate advanced Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles into their arsenal, enhancing its defensive posture in a region facing various security challenges. The Bayraktar TB2 is a medium-altitude long-endurance drone designed for reconnaissance and combat missions. It has an endurance of up to 27 hours, reaching altitudes up to 27,000 feet.